T-minus 20 seconds and counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Electron has left the pad and is off to meet the cosmos on this launch from Launch Complex 1. And as velocity increases, we are coming up quickly on the moment of max Q, or maximum aerodynamic pressure against the rocket as it clears through Earth's atmosphere. We'll hear the call out from our GNC operator in mission control shortly, that is monitoring Electron's guidance and positioning.
Approaching max Q. Cleared max Q.
And Electron has cleared max Q at T plus 1 minute and 20 seconds into the mission. The launch vehicle is now passing 18 kilometers in altitude as it reaches speeds of over 2,500 kilometers an hour. And up next will be 3 events across Electron that will all happen within seconds of each other. First up will be MECO, which stands for Main Engine Cutoff. That's just as it sounds. That is when the 9 Rutherford engines at the bottom of Electron's first stage throttle down and then shut off completely ahead of stage separation. Then the second stage will separate from stage 1, and 3 seconds later, its vacuum Rutherford engine ignites to carry on with the mission. You'll be able to see those 3 events happen in real time from Electron's cameras, and those call-outs should be coming from mission control shortly too.
Enter
seconds to
burnout
stage.
detect mode.
MECO confirmed.
Stage separation confirmed.
Stage 2 ignition confirmed.
Stage 2 guidance is nominal.
That is MECO. Stage separation and second stage ignition all successfully cleared for Electron as we continue on to orbit. The vehicle is moving now at more than 8,000 kilometers an hour at more than 100 kilometers above Earth on our way to that 1,050 kilometer target orbit. Now, there should be no blockers for the next milestone, and that will be fairing jettison, when Electron's nose cone splits and separates to expose those open cosmos payloads to space. And there it goes.
Fairing
That
jettison
is
confirmed.
Electron's fairing separated and fallen away as planned. And there on your screen are the Open Cosmos satellites integrated to our kick stage and attached to Electron's second stage as it powers past 8,600 kilometers an hour now. Our next milestone will be battery hot swap for that vacuum Rutherford engine there, scheduled to take place at around 6.5 minutes into flight.
Throttling down.
Battery jettison confirmed.
Nicely done. That is battery hot swap successful for Electron's second stage Rutherford engine, with no change to the vehicle's trajectory, as that second stage clocks more than 16,000 kilometers an hour, now more than 280 kilometers above Earth. And next up will be SECO, or second engine cutoff, which is the moment that that engine will shut down to separate the kick stage into its nominal transfer orbit.
SECO confirmed.
Stage separation confirmed.
There we go. That was SECO confirmed across the nets and by what you saw on your screen there with that engine nozzle cooling down. Now that cutoff has occurred. And the kick stage is in its nominal transfer orbit as it heads toward that altitude target for this mission.